Well, y'all not gonna tell me that this light was too bright. Hey Curlfriends, it's _sincerely Asia, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this video was one that just came to my mind. I'm sure I've seen another YouTuber do something like this before. So this past weekend, I was able to get my hands on the entire Camille Rose line. Now, I've heard amazing things about this. The products in this line retail at between the cheapest being, I think, around $14, and the most expensive going all the way up into like $30. This is after tax. I think before tax it's like 28 something. So I thought, now to be that price for hair products, it better hit, okay? So I wanted to try them, of course, and try them with you guys. But then I thought, now, like, there has to be something similar in texture out there that could battle Camille Rose but at a cheaper price, right? So I grabbed my Cream of Nature Pure Honey collection. These retail at around, like, the cheapest thing being like, I want to say like $3 some, and the most expensive thing going up to $5 some. So I thought they're pretty similar in texture, even though I've never tried either of them. They're pretty similar in texture from the feel of them. So I thought, why not battle? You know, why not have a little this or that? So that's basically what we're about to do. I'm going to wash this side of my hair with the Camille Rose and this side of my hair with the Cream of Nature. And we're about to see like what the results are. Is it worth the price? I will say I've smelled them both, and the Camille Rose definitely is winning in the fragrance area. But the Cream of Nature smells really good too. It's a nice sweet honey smell. So let's just get this shower going and hop right in. So basically I parted my hair in 2 sections instead of my usual 4. Straight down the middle, just to make sure that I was keeping each section that I was going to use the product on completely separate. And I went in and wet my hair and started the whole washing process with the Camille Rose. I used the ginger shampoo and the lavender conditioner, and they both smelled like ridiculously amazing. It did not make any sense for the stuff to smell this good, and y'all know I am a sucker for a good smell. Look at me. Forgetting to open the top. Get it together, AJ. So I basically just got ready to get in and do my regular wash day routine. I used a pretty good amount. As you guys know from watching my other videos, if you have my dawn wash day, any of my other wash days, I prefer to detangle with shampoo. I just feel like it makes the conditioning process so much easier, and I found that this shampoo had so much slip. It was so easy to detangle my hair with this, and like, you know, after I worked it through, got my fingers going, I really enjoy a good finger detangle than to go in with a detangling brush, and it really helps with how much shedding that I get when I detangle with a shampoo. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to know. As you can see, once I got that lather going, it was just a breeze. Like, my hands just started gliding through. So by the time I grabbed my Trusted Yours detangler, it's just a breeze. It takes no time. I'm back at it with my fingers, and my hair is completely detangled. Literally, this sets the process up to be like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and I'm out.
We just need a face to face. You can pick a time and a place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just love me by that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn.
with the amount of slip that this shampoo had, the ease that I was able to detangle my hair, and like my curls are popping. They're nice and separated. This would be great for a wash and go. Then I grabbed the conditioner. Look, y'all, that smell was amazing. I had to go read the bottle again, make sure, let me see what's going on. It was a nice smooth conditioner, pretty easy process. My hair is already detangled, so I literally just run the conditioner through my hair. Like I said, detangling with shampoo just helps to have the conditioner go on every single strand. I try to leave no strand untouched with conditioner, and as you can see, the curls are popping. I don't know if Creme of Nature can compete with this. I definitely think it's worth the price.
Time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it.
So I'm going to go ahead and twist this side up and hop into the Creme of Nature side. I used the Honey collection for the Creme of Nature. I had never used their shampoo and conditioner before, so I wanted to see how it stood up. And then when I Googled online to see what a good comparison to the Camille Rose would be, this is what came up as one of the options. There was quite a few, but this is the one that I had in my stash, so I was like, let me go ahead and try to see if this is a good match. Now, as you can see, this lather was good, but I was definitely struggling to detangle. Like, I was not going to be able to detangle my hair with this shampoo. It was not happening. Like, it was just tangling my hair more. It was giving me more clarifying shampoo vibes, and I just could not get with it. Like, I would probably never use this shampoo again. It smelled great. It had a great lather. The lather of it was very similar to the Dawn, but it just did not have the slip that I needed. So I went ahead, washed my scalp, and washed it out. Like I said, my hair was still just tangled up. Like, I could not do anything with it. So I went ahead and grabbed the conditioner from the Honey line, and it has a pretty good smell. It came out nice and thick. I was excited about that. And I proceeded to just go ahead and rake my fingers through. I was going to try the detangling thing again with the conditioner, and look, y'all, it was bomb. I would purchase this conditioner 10 out of 10, hands down. It was actually amazing. The slip was solid, and most people detangle with their conditioner anyway, so if you're someone who detangles like most people, then this would probably be a perfect line for you. Now comparing both sides, they look pretty similar, but I can definitely see some differences. I feel like my hair is definitely clumping more, and to me, the Creme of Nature side looked better, even though the Camille Rose side felt better. I was baffled. So I'm doing one final rinse to make sure that I got all of the shampoo and conditioner out, and we're gonna compare my thoughts on both. Hold up, y'all. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, for some reason, is it just me, or does this side look better? I really don't know. Like, this side looks good too, but like, I don't, like, this side looks juicier. I'm confused. I really am confused. Because I didn't like that shampoo. I did not like the Creme of Nature shampoo. But this side is like, I like the conditioner. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, section my hair off into 4, style it, let it dry, and then come back. And we're gonna see, like, this side is heavier, I think. Okay, I think correct word. I don't know if product stayed on this side, but it's heavier. They're both like equally detangled, but this one's just like up, and this one's like flat. And this one looks a little bit more, the curls are more separated over here, and the curls are more clumping together on this side. Like, look, like, this is like several curls, but I don't know, it's like doing a thing. I don't know. I'm gonna finish up in here, and then we'll be back. We'll be back for the end result. Period. Well, y'all not gonna tell me that this light was too bright. Y'all wasn't gonna tell me the whole time the light was too bright. Still separated. What the back looks like. Y'all, don't hate me. I don't know how I lost the footage of me talking about my final thoughts. But basically, I feel like Camille Rose was definitely worth the money. I did not like the Cream of Nature shampoo, but the conditioner was out of this world. I would definitely purchase that again. Overall, the Camille Rose gets a 10 out of 10 for me, and the Cream of Nature gets a 7 out of 10, which is still a pretty solid score.